In a bold leap forward for joint strike capability, the U.S. Army successfully carried out the first overseas live-fire test of its new mid-range capability, MRC, missile system on July 16, 2025. Conducted in Australia's Northern Territory during the massive Exercise Talisman Sabre 25, this operation saw a ground-based Standard Missile, 6, SM-6, launched and used to sink a maritime target, marking a transformative milestone in U.S. force projection. This test, executed by the 3rd Multi-Domain Task Force, showcased the Army's increasing ability to influence sea battles from land. Known as the Typhon weapon system, the MRC launcher combines SM-6 and Tomahawk missiles to extend the Army's strike envelope far beyond traditional battlefield limits, from roughly 500 to 1,800 kilometers depending on the munition used. Developed by Lockheed Martin as part of the Long Range Precision Fires Initiative, the Typhon fills the operational void between the short-range PRSM and the Army's ultra-long-range hypersonic capabilities. The focus of this test was maritime interdiction, proving the system can hit ships from inland, mobile launch points, a capability that was once the domain of naval forces alone. Traditionally launched from U.S. Navy Aegis warships, the SM-6, designed by Raytheon, is a high-speed, multi-role missile capable of engaging aircraft, cruise missiles, ballistic threats, and surface vessels. Its dual-mode radar seeker and resistance to electronic warfare have made it a cornerstone of Navy missile defense. Now adapted for land launch through the Typhon system, the SM-6 brings that same reach and versatility to Army formations. By ground launching the SM-6, the U.S. Army gains a powerful new option for dispersed, land-based operations in the Indo-Pacific, a region increasingly dominated by naval standoffs and long-range duels. Unlike ship-launched systems, Typhon can be rapidly moved and deployed to remote islands or inland areas, giving commanders new ways to counter naval threats without needing a fleet offshore. The implications are significant. With regional threats like China expanding naval operations across the Pacific, the U.S. Army's ability to engage enemy ships from hundreds of kilometers inland dramatically complicates adversary planning. It also empowers U.S. joint forces with a layered and redundant strike architecture, allowing for dynamic targeting across air, land, and sea. This transformation isn't just being watched by America's adversaries. NATO allies, particularly Germany, have expressed strong interest in adopting the Typhon system to strengthen Europe's long-range precision firepower. For countries facing advanced missile threats or seeking greater independence from naval platforms, Typhon offers a modular, highly mobile solution. The Exercise Talisman Sabre 25 test wasn't just a technical trial, it was a geopolitical signal. Integrated with Australia's 10th Brigade, the live fire proved both capability and cohesion. U.S. and Australian forces demonstrated seamless command coordination and targeting precision, reinforcing their role as a united front in regional defense. This event marks a turning point in modern warfare. It signals a future where ground forces are no longer limited to land targets but can now directly shape the maritime battlefield. The Typhon system, with its ship-killing SM-6, gives armies a role in sea denial operations, a concept that redefines traditional battle domains and strengthens the deterrent posture of Allied forces throughout the Indo-Pacific. As tensions simmer in contested waters, this successful strike from dry land sends a clear message: the U.S. and its partners now have the ability to hit from anywhere, and hit hard.